When it comes to heavy machinery, every component matters, but some are far more critical than others. The fuel injection pump is one of those components that plays a pivotal role in the performance and longevity of your engine. Specifically, the 6261-71-1110 fuel injection pump is designed to work with the Komatsu 6D140 engine, providing precise fuel delivery and consistent engine performance. A fuel injection pump might seem like a small piece of machinery, but it is the heartbeat of the engine. Its job is to ensure fuel is delivered to the engine cylinders at exactly the right time and at the right pressure. This process ensures efficient combustion, which translates to more power, better fuel economy, and reduced emissions. Without a properly functioning fuel injection pump, the engine may underperform, experience higher fuel consumption, or even suffer serious damage over time. The 6261-71-1110 is engineered specifically for the Komatsu 6D140 engine. That specificity is crucial because Komatsu engines require components that meet exact standards for pressure, timing, and durability. Using a part that is not compatible can lead to inefficiency, increased wear on engine components, and even total engine failure. Compatibility is not just about fitting the part, it's about ensuring optimal engine performance and reliability. The core function of this pump is to draw fuel from the tank, compress it, and inject it into the engine cylinders at precisely the right moment. This precision enables complete combustion, ensuring that every drop of fuel contributes to engine power. Efficient combustion reduces waste, maximizes output, and helps engines meet strict emissions regulations. In industrial applications where machines operate for extended hours, this level of efficiency is essential. Durability is another key advantage of the 6261-71-1110. Heavy machinery often operates in harsh environments. Dust, heat, vibration, and continuous operation can take a toll on engine components. A fuel injection pump built to withstand these conditions ensures that machinery continues to perform reliably without unexpected breakdowns. This reduces downtime, which can be extremely costly in construction, mining, or other industrial operations. The direct compatibility of this pump with the Komatsu 6D140 engine also makes installation straightforward. There is no need for modifications, adjustments, or guesswork. Once installed, the pump provides reliable performance over thousands of hours of operation. For professionals managing fleets of machinery, this level of reliability is invaluable. Every minute of downtime can translate into lost productivity and revenue, making the correct choice of parts critical. Fuel efficiency is significantly influenced by the fuel injection pump. Properly timed fuel delivery ensures that the engine operates as efficiently as possible. Over time, this can lead to considerable savings, especially in machinery that runs for long shifts every day. Even minor improvements in fuel economy can have a major financial impact on large operations. Protecting the engine is another crucial consideration. A failing fuel injection pump can lead to incomplete combustion, increased wear, and potential engine damage. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the fuel injection pump can prevent these issues and extend the life of the engine. Using a high-quality, compatible pump safeguards the engine against premature wear and costly repairs. While aftermarket options may exist, they often do not meet the precise specifications of the Komatsu 6D140 engine. The 6261-71-1110 is engineered for exact fit and performance, ensuring reliability and compliance with operational standards. Choosing a pump that does not meet these standards can result in reduced engine efficiency, increased emissions, and potential mechanical failure. Installation should always be performed by trained professionals. Accurate calibration and timing are critical to engine performance, and improper installation can compromise the functionality of the pump. Once installed correctly, the pump and